Let us start the topic, chapter number 9, solution of cubic and biquadratic equations. You can repeat the chapter name, solutions of cubic and. First of all, we discuss the topic solution of cubic equation. In the first exercise, we shall discuss the method Cardan method. Let us start with cubic equation. Equation number 1, a naught x cube plus 3a1 x square plus 3a2x plus a3 equal to 0, which is equation number 1. In this equation, we want to remove the second term, that is 3a1 equal to 0. For this purpose, as discussed earlier in chapter number 8, for removing the terms in general, we have by substitute the proper z equal to a naught x plus a1, we have the new equation is z cube plus 3hz plus में g equal to 0. Here we diminish the roots by h, where h equal to minus a1 upon में and a naught. After the diminish the roots h, we have the transform equation is z cube plus 3hz plus g equal to 0. In this equation, now we start the method Cardan method. Put z is equal to u plus v. Put z is equal to u plus v. Cubing both sides. By cubing both sides, we have the new equation, equation number 3, z cube minus 3 uvz minus में u cube plus v cube equal to 0. Equation number 3. Now, by comparing equation number 3 and equation number 3 and equation number 2, or we have two new equations. One is uv equal to minus h and second is u cube plus v cube equal to minus g. Now we can form an equation whose roots are u cube and v cube. Now we can form an equation whose roots are u cube and v cube. From here we can easily find the value of u cube and v cube, that is value of u and v. Then by getting value of u and v, we get value of z. Then and reverse, we get value of x. In this way we can solve the given cubic equation. Now these cases arise, either u cube or v cube are roots or such type, nature of the roots. Now we discuss the nature of the roots. Here u cube equal to, by quadratic formula, solving quadratic equation, minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. X equal to minus b plus minus root d upon 2a, where d is discrement, b square minus 4ac. By applying this formula, quadratic formula, we get the value of u cube and v cube. Now further discussed by taking a particular example. Let us taking particular example number 1. Solve the equation x cube minus 12x minus 65 equal to 0 by Cardan method. Now we can observe that second term is already missing. Second term is already missing. गिवन इक्वेशन इज एक्स क्यूब माइनस में 12 एक्स माइनस 65 इक्वल टू 0. कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर इज ऑलरेडी 0. Second term is already missing. We can observe that. Now applying Cardan method. If second term is present there, first of all remove second term. After that you can apply Cardan method. Put x equal to u plus v. Put x equal to u plus v by cubing this equation. Cubing both sides. Cubing x cube equal to u cube plus v cube plus 3uv into u plus v. By solving this we can obtain equation in x. x cube u cube plus v cube plus 3uv into u plus v. Solving this x cube minus we put the value of u plus v equal to x. X cube minus में 3uvx minus u cube plus v cube is equal to 0. Now comparing this equation with given equation number 1. Given equation number 1, comparing with it with equation number 1, we get as discussed article we have value of uv coefficient of x by comparing coefficient of x minus 3uv equal to minus 12 minus 3uv equal to minus 12 minus cancel minus and 3 to 4 then uv equal to 4 then u cube v cube equal to 4 into 4 into 4 64. Equation number 3. Similarly, by comparing constant term, we get the value of u cube plus v cube. U cube plus v cube value is 65. Equation number 4. Now we can consider a new equation whose roots are u cube and v cube. T square minus sum of the roots into t plus product of the roots equal to 0. Equation is t square minus sum of the roots 65t plus product of the roots equal to 0. Now obviously we can observe that the roots are u cube and v cube which are perfect cube. That is by obviously we get the value of t is a perfect cube, that is 1 or 8 or 27 or 64 etc. Here we can find the value of t. Now factorize this 64 and 1, then t minus 64 and t minus 1 is r factor. By solving t equal to 64 and t equal to 1, t equal to 64 and t equal to 1. After putting the value of t, u cube equal to 64, then u equal to 4. Similarly, we can get a value of v. One value of u and v are, one pair of u and v are 4 and 1. 4 and 1. Now we can find value of x. In starting we have a relation between x, u and v, that is x equal to u plus v. X equal to u plus v. We get value of x. You can find, you can tell me x equal to u plus v. X equal to 1 plus 4 equal to 5. One value of x equal to 5. Of the given equation number 1, in the given equation number 1, which is cubic in x, we have one root x equal to 5. Then divide this equation by x minus 5. Divide this equation by x minus. We taking help of synthetic division. Method of synthetic division. Divide the given equation by x equal to 5. X equal to 5. From equation number 1, the coefficient of x cube. Coefficient of x cube 1. Coefficient of x square 0. Coefficient of x minus 12. Coefficient constant term minus 65. Now we divide by x equal to 5 by synthetic division method. X equal to 5 blank. Sum of these 1. Product of 5 and 1 5. Sum of 0 and 5. Product of 5 and 5. Sum of minus 12 and 25 13. 13 multiplied by 5. You can observe that last number is 0. This is coefficient of x square. This is coefficient of x. This is constant term. That is the given equation reduced into quadratic equation. The given equation is reduced into quadratic equation, which is x square plus में 5x plus 13 equal to 0. Now by quadratic formula, that is x equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. We get two value of x are there, minus 5 plus minus 3 root 3 iota upon 2. In this way we can find the value of x. 3 value of x 5 minus 5 plus 3 root 3 iota upon 2 and minus 5 minus 3 root 3 iota upon 2. This is Cardan method.